Hello everyone, in this video we want to see how you can make V the subject of the formula from 1 over F is equal to 1 over V minus 1 over U. So to make V the subject of the formula, first of all we add both sides 1 over U, 1 over U. So we add on the left hand side 1 over U and on the right hand side 1 over U, so that you will be left with 1 over V is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over F. LCM of U and the F is UF. UF divided by U is F. F times 1 is F. Plus UF divided by F is U. U times 1 is U. So 1 over V is equal to F plus U divided by UF. So to obtain V, you take reciprocals. So reciprocal of 1 over V is V, and the reciprocal of F plus U over U plus F is U F over U plus F. So similarly in case you are required to from 1 over F is equal to 1 over V minus 1 over U. In case you are required to make U the subject of the formula, what you do, you take 1 over U on the left hand side so that this negative becomes positive. Then 1 over F, you take 1 over F on the right hand side so that it will be minus 1 over F. Then on the right hand side, you take LCM of U and F, which is VF. Then you divide UF divided by U is F. F times 1 is F. UF divided by F is U. VF divided by F is V. V times 1 is V. So 1 over U is equal to F minus V divided by VF. Then to obtain U, you take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 over U is U. And the reciprocal of F minus V divided by VF is VF over F minus V. So that is how we make V and U the subject of the formula from the mirror subject. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, tune on to my YouTube channel so that you may learn together. Bye bye for now. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.